All right, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Becca. Good morning, Brad. Marty, good morning. Matthew, good morning. Sam, good morning. All right, guys, let's take a quick look here. We're about 3 minutes from the cash market open. We have news at the top of the hour, ISM Services PMI at the top of the hour, but at 8:45 we have Final Services PMI. So that's going to be an important piece of news coming up. What we have here, and that was critical, really. I mean, that is just amazing stuff right there. Let me show you. So we had a captain set up long here. Market ran up like 75 points or more, and then produced a captain set up short into that push. So I mean, that's just you hardly see that kind of behavior, but it's super strong on the 200 NT Rinko. So now this high is going to be, I mean, this range right here from the 50s all the way to almost 650. That 100 point is going to be a critical resistance to any move up. And the odds are, even if we come up to the middle of the range, the pressure is going to be very strong on price action. So there is a bit of short bias to this market at this open, and rallies are right now the 200 is long, but the structure of the market as a whole with this kind of formation supports any rally being under pressure. So at the open, I'm going to be very cautious of trying to go long or anything like that. I'm just going to look for potentially a complete reversal of this candle down to 380, and then that will attempt at a run at the lows here, and then we'll be in this zone testing, and that would be like around 200 and 100. So that's one look to this market, and we'll see what the market gives us. We're ready for anything. Right now, the market is out of sync. Cash market open. Good morning, David. Good morning, Seal. How are you? Good morning, Seal. Testing harmony zone number 2 for the second time. A potential captain setup long if we break anything above 415. All right, that 415, if we get there, the market is going to do a counter trend. 415 is a big deal. And it looks like we're going to break it. Yep. Here it goes. My prices are lagging. We're at 412. Wow. Okay, well let me see if I can fix this thing. $391. Wow. Are you serious? Well, there's a captain short on the 50 NT Rinko. Let me see what I can do here. I'm trying to get. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna disconnect my Apex connection here. I am solely on. What is going on here? How about right now? How we're looking? Hey Adam, good morning, buddy. Steven, good morning, Steven. Okay, well, the market is. Let's see here. Switch trade on the 200 NT Rinko, and now we're gonna get a flush. Where's the target? 330. That's our target. We got news coming up in 8 minutes and also at the top of the hour. Wow. Yeah. Captain set up then a retest with a railroad short, and the market is heading towards its target of 330. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with the next target of 305. Momentum is on the downside, and off you go. Sell 'em, boys, sell 'em. That's it. 305, next target. 305, next target. Watch out for 346. That would be a captain set up long on the 70 NT Rinko. And that will pause the market and give us, yep, here we go. Let it pull back. I mean, we're going to have a counter trend here. It's fast market again. Let me tell you what it looks like. Here you go. That's it. Captain set up long on the 70 NT Rinko. Counter trend against that big move. And we'll see how well they hold on to it. But, you know, we could get to 400 and retest on pullbacks. Yeah, you see it. See how quickly that went? Oh, yeah. That captain setup was money. Yeah, there is a little bit of still slow quotes here. I know. It's 14 right now, but it came down to 98 and then bounced back. So I'm a few seconds behind here. All right, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. I mean, look at that captain setup. Holy moly. 345, boom. What is that? 50, 50, that's 100 points in seconds. Let's go, baby. Start buying some stuff. Yeah, let's buy some stuff. Here we go. So where's the next target? It's 480. One minute or less than a minute for the first news, which is final services PMI coming up. I'm gonna step away for just a moment. All right, guys, I'm back. Hey, G Money, how are you? Sheila, good morning. Are we still behind, or let's see here? 330. Yeah, there's still a little bit. Wow. 294, 292 right now, and this is not catching up. The only thing I could think of that I could do is just having to start over. Like exit Ninja Trader and get back in, and that would be an issue. But you know, we're up 800. I had a couple of trades. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's always been in sync. Your Marty, your order's not coming in right. Anybody else experiencing any delay? All right, let's take a look here. A market is rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. So Steven is having an issue. Adam's having issues. Minor delays with Brad. Mine is a little bit delayed. Yeah, G Money. It's been volatile market. Yesterday was a volatile day. Here comes the news. Okay, it's a wild one. It's a wild one. I'm trying to stay out of trouble here, so let's see. I mean, I could play a little bit here. What is the market doing? The market's out of sync, right? Here you go. It's a fast one, I know. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. I mean, we can get a little bit more active right now. And let's take a look at the bigger picture. So the market is coming up to this resistance area, and we've seen a rejection of any attempt to start digging into this 500 area. We'll see. Now the market reversed here. So now pullbacks are buyable. And if we break anything above 83, we'll see 500 and an attempt at 2530. And there will be a lot of resistance as well. Okay, so a couple of switch trades, and they're pushing the price lower right here. Okay, I'm gonna look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Let's see here. Here you go. Ooh, that's violent. All right, I took that one. That was a little bit of a violent one, be honest with you, but whatever. Took it. So lost 74, made 195 out of that one to 929. Let's keep working, man. There's a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko that just popped in. They're trying to roll it over here, but we'll see. I mean, I took the long version of this trade, but because I want to go in the direction of the 200 NT Rinko. Okay, let's look for another trade. Okay, I'm out of that one. I got long here on the railroad long, added to it on the breakout and sold at a target. So that one is a profitable one. So we're up to 1300. Let's keep working. So market is out of sync here. So you see this distribution area that we are at, right? Every time we get up there, anywhere close to that 500, they just slam it back down. So they're pushing, and the market is out of sync. Two-sided market coming up to support, to test, second time around. Can I rather be in the direction of the 200 in this environment till proven otherwise? Nasty. So Seal, David, where are you at, guys? Any action on your end? Mm. All right, I flatted that trade. Like it's not, it wasn't moving. I'll take $100 stop. It probably is going to run up here, but that's fine. I gotta make sure that I'm not oversized in trades that are not producing immediately. So get out of that one, take a small stop, move on. So what is the market doing? It's just it seems like a total rejection of the attempt, and we talked about that earlier on. We talked about, this is such a strong formation. Any attempt in this area is gonna face a lot of resistance to it. Okay. Here you go again. They're trying. Target is 505. Damn it. Yeah. I'm gonna get clobbered on this one. Wow. They got me. God dang it. All right. Let's keep working. Should be running up to 50 here. Here comes 50. I'm gonna go break even plus. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so what are we doing here? We are very close to 405. Now the market is on a swing trade basis a short. Took two off, and let's see if I can get a bigger one. Boom. Thank you. I'll take it. All right, let's keep working. Next target is 355. 400. Let's see if I can get anything going here. Yeah, here you go. Okay, I'm not being very tight with my risk here. Took two out. Took to the second two out. Now look at it freaking working like a champ. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Yeah, I can't be holding on with the four contracts going the other way. But that's kind of the market that we're dealing with. I mean, you almost have to take that kind of risk. My target is 355. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Okay, I don't know. I think we probably flatted that trade. Made money, lost money. Yeah, we made money and lost money. Okay, so here we go. So if that's flat, let's see. Oh, wow. I mean, the shorts are definitely are the dominant force. Thank you. I'll take that one. Boom. Well, I mean, it produced a whole lot more. Holy, yeah, that's the 3, 6, almost $700 trade. That was a railroad short. I mean, what else I'm gonna do? Just gonna jump in there. Let's keep working. 50 points. You stuck around for that trade. Good for you. All right, market is out of sync. So they're gonna try to retest 382s. So let's see how these pullbacks hold up. Look at that. I'm saying it thinking it's gonna take a little bit of time to get there. And seconds later, it's up there. Mm-mm. Fuck. Back to negative 17. Oof. Okay, I guess that's gonna be that kind of trading. Okay. I went short here on that captain setup switch trade, added to it, got stopped out at the top end of that range, then boom, it's rolled over. Okay, let's see. Okay, we took small. Another, it seems like they're protecting the harmony zone number 2, or they're trying. Wow. Okay. 34. Out of this one. Nope, they're not buying, giving it to me. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, they're still trying to protect that level. I mean, we're getting very close to closing that, and then they come in and they buy it. So, what kind of news is that? Damn it. Oh, that was potentially so good. Okay, here we go. All right, so what are we doing here? What are we doing here? So what is the market doing? The market's out of sync. We got news that came out. ES, wow, I should have said something about that one. Captain set up short on ES on the 50 NT Rinko at 94 and a quarter, and this market has been pushing. So this is going to be a catalyst for the reversal in NQ, which is going to lead us to a switch trade and a breakdown below 300. So I'm going to be, very conscious of this behavior here. Sure, huh? Okay, George. Gotta take a little bit more prudent risk here. Okay, get out of that trade. Okay, it's just volatile, man. It's just all over the place. Gotta tighten up my risk controls so this way it doesn't get away from us too much. Okay, so now the market is in sync on the long side. On NQ and ES is trying to hold on to the bottom end of the range against that captain setup. So the market is just rotating. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to take a break. Yep. All right. I mean, this stuff is ruthless. Oof. I mean, now look at it working out big time. Why did I go short there? The fuck is wrong with me? All right, let's keep working here. I'm updating something, so the quotes are just gonna be behind for just a second here. Sorry about that, guys. It's just gonna take a minute for this thing to kind of catch up for me. I tried to update one of my charts, and probably that's a mistake in the fast market that's like that. So I have to wait it out. Here we go. $426, right? We're at 426. Wow. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Yeah, I know. It's lagging big time. My data is lagging. It's like we're trading at 416 and this is showing 390. So we're trading at 375 right now. So there's a market that is out of sync. ES is pushed back up, and now it's coming back with resistance against this captain setup short that we're talking about right here. Okay, so that's what the market is doing right now. So we're facing a little bit of resistance here. The overall pressure on the market is just short. I mean, even when we came into, like we talked about this, 1, 2, and look what the market did. We came to the 26s, which is the middle of the range on this, and the market is pushing back in. Now we're at 408, 415. Yeah, I gotta let this market or my charts catch up. For 12. whatever. Small, small, small. I don't know if that's even worth that risk. Okay, where you guys showing your quotes at? I mean, look at that now. It's just selling. Damn it. I mean, I had the right idea, right? It's just getting sketchy with this market. All right, I'm just going to take a walk, come back in a minute. Fresh mind, fresh trade. We need a couple of good trades and we'll be in the green. We're back. 342. We're 342 and this thing is not. Yeah, that's just. It's fairly unfortunate because today, I mean, there's a lot of opportunity, but you know, this disconnect back and forth is throwing the whole trading off. Maybe once the market slows down a little bit, we'll be able to catch up. I mean, I can just disconnect NinjaTrader altogether. If you guys are patient with me. I mean, my computer, I mean, yeah, it's 8:52 right now. That's my time here, 3:52:37. So let me do that. Let me do that. Because, I mean, there's no sense in trying to... Hmm. Can't even exit my Ninja Trader. That's funny. I'm caught up right now. Yeah, I figured out what was the issue. So can anybody else confirm if we are matching up on what you guys see and what you have? Are we all caught up? All right, so let's talk about speed, range, and behavior. Speed is fast as hell. They're crazy. Range is contracting in the middle of the range. And behavior is a mix between long and short. Be honest with you, there's two-sided market most of the time today, with violent moves in between. So how do we handle this? We know there's a lot of distribution going on every time we get up here. Anywhere we get up in this level here between 50 to 500, the market just gets slammed. But every time we come into the bottom end of that range, they are trapping the shorts into run-ups, and they took out that low from yesterday at that 327. They took it out by few ticks, few points, rallied up, took that one out and rallied back up, came very close, made a higher low. Now we're, trying to stabilize the price structure right now. So you're getting a market that is not really kind of giving up the ground at the bottom here, but anytime they get up to this massive resistance zone, they get slammed. Okay. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock? Okay. That's a captain setup short on 200 Rinko. If we close this 40 or the 55, yeah, this big deal. It is a big deal. That will throw our bias 100% behind the shorts, and we will start looking actively to get. Yeah, here we go. That's a captain setup short on the 200 Rinko. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We're looking for a target of 330, and let's go. Okay, I'm posting some orders. Let's see if I can get filled on anything. Why is it so slow? Come on, man. I'm trying to move my orders around. I cannot even move my orders around, guys. Okay. First target is 330, and then an attempt at 300 can come in very quickly afterward. How about that? That's a nice little trade, 3-contract trade. I should be made a little bit of money. That reduced my risk here. Let's keep working. I'm just going to be hyper focused on the shorts and look for a 330 close. I mean, they're going to play around with it for a little bit. Yes, sir. All right, take that one. Come on, baby. A couple of good trades and I will be money. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. It wants to. It wants to for sure. So how are they treating the stops? That's just one of those things that we gotta ask a question about. Wow. Here we go. It hit the target. 305. 305 is the next target. Here comes that next one. Here you go. God damn, boom. Here it goes. Captain setup. I mean, I just needed to kind of get a little bit more ballsy and not scalp it and just hold on to it for a little bit. But all right, that's fine. That's fine. Let's look for the next one. Captain setup. 200. Very strong. Here we go, Adam. Good job, brother. That shows some skill. Mental more than anything else. So ES has a target of 57.57. We're about to disconnect here on NQ. Yep, we just did. It's a two-sided market at this point. They put a captain setup short against Harmony Zone number 2. Okay. Testing it again. Yeah, it's selling pressure, lower high. So the sellers are coming back in, trying at least. I'll take it. Okay, let's keep working. I'll grind my way out of that hole. But I mean, that one was just, you know, you got a captain set up, retest of it, and a third retest of it. Be honest with you, the minute the market gave me another captain set up short here, should have loaded the boat. Because I mean, you know, that's just 1, 2, 3, 4 statements telling me that the market is just not having it here. Well, the good news here is speed. Speed is at least slowing down. It's a little bit more manageable. We're not getting crazy moves all over the place. 100-point moves in 2 seconds. So, I mean, that's a positive, right? Range is expanding. Behavior is short. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We'll reevaluate that idea if we break anything above 308. Damn. Look at that. That's a beautiful railroad short. There was a one before it, and that's the second leg of it. Market is out of sync again. I'll take it. I mean, target. I'll take it. I'm going to be a scalping fool till I get out of this little mess here. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. Let's go. I mean, that was a railroad long at the beginning of a new harmony wave. So that's a signal that's worth taking on a first touch basis. And the 100 NT Rinko is out of sync, so it supports a two-sided market. The overall trend is short. How did we do, Sam? Okay. That's excellent. Take care. All right, across the board, Mr. Adam. I know you were talking about being done for the day. Since you've done so well, Becca, G Money, Sheila, Marty. How we doing, Marty? Matthew. Okay, so they ran the stops right above it into harmony zone number 2. And now they're running the stops right under this market. They're going to probably take it a little bit lower than 70 and pause. Here comes that 70. Okay. I am stuck. I cannot move my orders, guys. God damn it. That's not what I'm trying to do either. Look at this. I was not trying to do this. Okay, so let me see what I have to do here to get this system to work a little bit better. Okay, good job, Becca. All right, the market is back in sync on the short side with this move, and let's see if I can get something going here. All right, let's see. Can I move my stuff here? I think. Okay, here we go. Okay. Fucking stupid shit. Okay. Mark is out of sync again. All right. Potential captain setup short on the 100 here, which will be super interesting if we break 266. Of course. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go here and see if I can get to 66. Then that will lead to a flush that's gonna take us to 50s. And I'm gonna try to manage it as tightly as possible. Taking one out. Come on, baby. That's a captain setup short. You gotta give me some money. That's exactly what you need to be doing. And taking the second one out. I know, bro. It's just so hard in this market. I mean, you know, just the out is just about the same. One candle. I'll take it though. Saw that one. I know. Yesterday was beast mode. Today, I've been just having technical issues and a bunch of other things. But man, I try to keep it as tight to the vest as possible. I mean, I was up $1,200 at the beginning of the day. I mean, nice stuff right there. 1,300 actually, and then boom, just got slapped. And I've been fighting fighting, oh, 3 grand here. Yeah, that was nasty. And then basically fighting back to break even all day long. And I'll get there. And I'll get there. Good job, Seal. But what we got ourselves into here is a captain set up short on the 100 NT Renko. I mean, that is a thing. It's a big thing. 67. That's another pivot in price action for the remainder of the day. As long as we trade under the 300, the bias in the market will continue to be short into lower prices. Man, yesterday it was I think the most I ever done was like maybe 8 contracts at one point. The majority was 1 and 2 contracts, and we got to 10 grand. We could do it again. $300. There you go. Okay. And a flush. And a flush. I was trying to pick off the stops that they took out, but you know they were too quick. Okay, I'll get a cancel. I mean, you see that? I mean, look how far they went down to that 30, just nabbed everybody right there, fleeced them out of their stops, and you know what they're gonna do? Just run it back up. Market is in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Let's see if we can find a stop run on the upside that we could participate in. Okay, they're taking out the stops, 26s. Okay, let's see if taking one and go and break even because I'm kind of trending. I don't want to get cute with this market. If it runs up to 42s, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll take a break even on the rest here. Their stops just sitting above 42 and a quarter. Here you go. Thank you, thank you. And I'll take it at target. So we could see what they were doing there, right? There we go. Oh, well, I know, but you gotta trust your read on this stuff, Adam. You gotta trust your read. It's the hardest trade to take down here. But if you see them, slowly just picking off the stops and quickly responding back up, you know that they're trying to accumulate down here. So you just have to kind of find one candle reversal, get in there, put the stop right under it, and look for that push. And they're gonna run the stops, come back in, run the stops, come back in. See, I mean, they just did it again. Everybody's looking for the breakdown, and they're accumulating. You gotta see what most people are not seeing. Sometimes that's a train coming at you. Oh, so they did it like 3 times. I wouldn't be surprised if they run the stops even more and just trade in at harmony zone number 1. All I'm seeing, Adam, is shitload of money for us to make this year. That's all I see. Because this kind of market, boy, once you get in tune with the volatility, it's money. It's a money maker. Matthew, where we at, Matthew? Man, I don't hear you talking nothing. How you're handling this market? Yeah, long, short, anything? See, look at that. See, I mean, it's like literally as we talk about it, running it exactly to the level we thought that it's going to do. So they're taking out the stops above it, 45, 55, that's 15 points, okay? Market is out of sync. I'll take it. I'll take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Well, that's $100. Okay, well, whatever. Still take it. mean, ES, look at the ES, man. Woo, baby. That's beautiful. Selling, selling. And that was the catalyst that we saw. And we were like, okay, well, we see this ES doing Captain setup, came in and retested, then retested it one more time, and off you go, lower prices. And it put a lot of pressure on NQ. Oh, looky, looky. Wow. So the market is trading between harmony zone number 1 and 2 and just basically oscillating. I don't know if you could see all of this, but let's see. From the beginning of the year onwards, we have a bunch of 2 grand, 3 grand, couple of 5 grand days. That's one of them. And the losing days are by far like under 2,000. I don't think I had a day that I went over 2 grand. Then yesterday there was a good day. I think that's the biggest day. It's not. I think it is the biggest day I had this year, which is 10 grand. And today we're fighting for break even, and we're at 25.5 so far. And that's just my personal account. So that's where we at. I always start every year with the same amount, which is 20 grand. And go from there. Nah, you don't need 100 grand. You don't, not at all. 20 grand, I mean, as long as you keep your like your day less than 2 grand, then 20 grand is plenty. Then you could start taking a little bit more risk as you build. So you start building your account. You from 20 to 30,000, you take a little bit more risk. 30 to 40, you take more risk, so on and so forth. That makes sense. That's a good idea. I mean, get more regulated in which way? I mean, Apex has rules on top of rules on top of rules. You know, like what else are they gonna do? Either you have a prop company or you don't. I mean, these prop companies have a model. What are the regulations supposed to do different than what Apex is doing? The only thing is trying to get people to move to funded accounts or live accounts a little bit quicker, but that's about it. Yeah, I mean, that's the only thing. I think that's the thing that CEO of Apex was talking about, is like, you know, the SEC, I think the SEC, they were looking for more people moving to live accounts and not everybody in a sim mill. I get that part, but I guess we'll wait and see. As far as I'm concerned, we're going to keep making our money, and we will adjust to any rule changes they'll have, and we will continue to make money. That's it. I think going through the funded, the funded account experience with these prop firms just makes you such a better trader, because you're not only having to deal with the hardship of understanding how to trade, which is on its own, it's a task. But now you have to make money in the market, which is hard, and I don't want to call it hard. It's challenging. Then you have to do it adhering to the rules of the prop firm, which some of them, in my opinion, are ridiculous. But hey. So you're dealing with two rules: rules of the market, rules of the prop firm, and you're supposed to go through all of that and make money and keep it. Yeah, if you do it, guess what? You're a better trader. We all know about that, Adam, don't we? Yes, you are. You're not okay. You're good. All right, let's just feel out this market here. It's 11:04. Market is out of sync again. ES hit the middle of the range and now it's retracing. Damn it. They got me. I overstayed my welcome on that one. Not really, but I think the market is just choppy in the middle of the range here. That was my chance to... Oh man, look at that. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's all the middle of the range trading here. Okay. It's harmony zone number 1, support. Go, baby, go. Go, breaking even. Let's go. Okay. Well, at least we got something out of that one. So taking out the stops and selling them, that's what they're doing. Let's see if they take out the stops right under 44 and buy them. Because that would be the natural thing for them to do here. Here we go. Taking the 44s. All right, I took that one for a quick scalp. Damn. Such a fast market. So see how they took out that 44 and just bought them very quickly. That's just accumulation. They're just reaching out to the stops and not even bothering running the stops. They're just getting there, accumulating as much as fast, and then just back up. That's bullish. So I mean, I took that first little try on it, and the second one I came a little bit later, but that's fine. Took that for whatever it gave me. A couple of trades in a row here. Boom, boom. It's like $600 worth of money. We're about to go back in sync, and the target of 405 is where the market is going to be heading to. Hmm. Damn it. Yeah. 77. Yep. Okay, okay. Now they're trapping again. They're going to take out the stops and see how far they're going to go. Let's just... Okay, that's just one contract. I don't want to overdo it here. And I'm going to keep it a very tight stop. Let's go up. Push, 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 push. 75, past 75. Thank you. And out. That's from target to target. Let's go. Yes, yes, sir. No, no. Know thy levels. Yeah, they're walking it up. Yeah, these three longs, man, they got me. They got me nice. That's the first one. Yeah, this is the first one. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, here go 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if they run the stops again. Here we go. Okay, they're going to those stops again under that 70. Here it goes. 70, 65. Here we go. Let me just get in here. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. All day, every day. And that's how we went from negative to positive. Oh man, that feels good. That feels good. Let's look how this day went. Wow. So obviously we're up big or nice. 13 got slammed around, and it got worse a couple of times, all the way down to I think 3. We got slammed all the way down to 3, I think. Yeah, like something like that here. Came back, got worse, then we just one after. I think this series, all of it, I just understood it here. Okay, so the first long in the body of the cloud, boom, in and out. That's a railroad long. Second one, a railroad long again, boom. I mean, I'm not even taking big money here, small. Okay. Then I got into the third trade again, and see what they've done here is they put a captain setup short, and then ran it over just to trap people, and then brought it back in. But that's still consistent with the harmony system and the 200 and the 100 being in sync. So I got in at another railroad long, in and out, boom. Okay, and then this last one that we just. But where are they? Like, what are they doing? It's the typical. Let me run the stops just a little bit, and then trap people and go back up. So that's what the market is doing. So I saw the trap right here, got in there. They put a captain setup. I should have kind of added to it there, but I'm not trying to get too cute or too heavy in this market right now. And boom, off you go. And now look at that. They even put a captain setup, failed it, switch trade into a run up. And that is a positive day. Was not an easy day, but I'll take them as they come. We had to survive a lot of technical issues too. Congrats, Becca. 20 bucks away from maximum payout on 2 accounts. PAs, Apex. Excellent. Superstar over here. Do what works for you, Adam. As long as you're successful and you're making your money, any way you do it, buddy. All right, guys. So I feel good about today. It's positive. Just gonna call it a day right here. And Thursday tomorrow, we'll do this again. Okay? Stay safe. Keep working on your craft. And we'll have fun again tomorrow. Have a good one.